I'm currently working on the backup camera for that double-din radio that I got. Came with the typical stuff that comes with it, wiring harness and all that. So here's the camera, and the red is for the power and ground. This is the backup light, so I've temporarily hooked up the power wire from the camera harness to the red wire on the truck side of the harness, the light side. The power's the reverse light, and the ground. Actually, hopefully I can get this in view. I used this spot to place the ground temporarily. I mean, that's the spot I'm going to go to anyway, but once I mount everything permanently, all these wires from the light side are going to be going through there, so they're not visible. So that was the easy part. And from the radio side, hopefully I can show everything without getting anything out of any wires out of getting separated or uncrimping or anything like that. Okay, here's the harness for from the camera, and the other end goes to your camera, little outlet here, and the red wire. It might be different on your radio, but on this particular radio, it goes to this pink wire, which hopefully I can get in there. It's the top, or number 9, the parking sensor control. That's the wire we want to tap into, so that when we're in reverse, the camera turns on. So I'm going to turn the truck on real quick so you can see. Put her in reverse, and let's see that camera turn on. Okay, this longer one that feeds all the way to the radio, it's going to be underneath the bed. I just gotta organize everything, and as far as feeding any wires through, so give me a second. Raise my seat or move it forward. There. You see this hole? It's pre-made. It's for probably a seat bracket, or a different one anyway. But I'm just going to feed these wires through there. And I'm going to use whatever loom I have left on the outside of those wires, to give them a little bit of further protection. But yeah, I just wanted to show that little bit of update on the reverse camera for the truck, and I'll see you.